Welcome to Reviews Heaven. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best instant pots that will revolutionize your cooking game. From the versatile Instant Pot Duo Mini to the powerhouse Instant Pot Pro Crisp 11 in 1, we've got you covered. Whether you're a busy professional, a meal prepping enthusiast, or just looking for convenience in the kitchen, these instant pots offer something for everyone. Stick around as we explore their features, functionalities, and why they deserve a spot in your kitchen. Let's get started and find your perfect instant pot match. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest reviews and recommendations. Number 1. Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker. Now, we're diving into the world of versatile cooking with the Instant Pot Duo Plus 8-quart Whisper Quiet 9-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker. This appliance promises to revolutionize your kitchen experience, and we're here to see if it lives up to the hype. First, let's talk about its 9-in-1 functionality. The Instant Pot Duo Plus is not just a pressure cooker. It's also a slow cooker, rice cooker, yogurt maker, steamer, sauté pan, sterilizer, and food warmer. This all-in-one device is designed to simplify meal preparation, making it a perfect addition to any kitchen. The large, easy-to-read LCD display provides step-by-step cooking instructions and a clear cooking progress bar, giving real-time feedback. Its Whisper Quiet steam release is a game-changer, ensuring a peaceful cooking environment. Plus, with 25 customizable smart programs, you can cook anything from ribs and soups to rice and desserts with just a touch of a button. One of the standout features is the food-grade stainless steel cooking pot with a tri-ply bottom. This design ensures even cooking and prevents the pot from spinning during sautéing. Cleanup is a breeze, too, thanks to the fingerprint-resistant stainless steel sides and dishwasher-safe lid, inner pot, and accessories. Don't forget to download the free Instant Pot app, available for both iOS and Android. With over 800 recipes, it's a fantastic resource for new meal ideas and inspiration. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just getting started, this app makes meal planning and execution a breeze. To sum up, the Instant Pot Duo Plus 8-quart Whisper Quiet 9-in-1 electric pressure cooker is a fantastic investment for anyone looking to simplify their cooking process. With its advanced features and ease of use, it's no wonder it's a favorite in many kitchens. Number 2. Instant Pot Pro 10-in-1 Pressure Cooker. The Instant Pot Pro is not just any pressure cooker. It offers 10-in-1 functionality. You can pressure cook, slow cook, sauté, steam, sous vide, make yogurt, and even bake a cake, all with one device. This inner pot is made from premium cookware-grade stainless steel and features stay-cool silicone handles, making it easy to transfer from the cooker to your stovetop. What's really impressive are the 5 programmable settings for your favorite recipes and 28 preset options for essential meals. Whether you're in a rush and need to pressure cook or want to take your time with a slow-cooked dish, the Instant Pot Pro has you covered. It even has a diffusing cover for gentle steam release, which keeps your kitchen clean and quiet. The package includes an extra sealing ring and a stainless steel steamer rack. Plus, you can use the Instant Brands Connect app to access over 800 recipes. This is perfect for anyone who loves experimenting with new dishes. From stews and soups to chicken fajitas and spaghetti, this pot handles it all effortlessly. Customers rave about the Instant Pot Pro's ease of use and cleaning. One user mentioned how versatile it is for cooking everything from stews to chicken soup, highlighting how it has transformed their meals. Another customer loves the simple dial controls and the well-organized menu options, making it easy to prepare their favorite dishes. So, whether you're cooking for a large family or meal prepping for the week, the Instant Pot Pro is a reliable and versatile choice. Number 3. Instant Pot Pro Plus Wi-Fi Smart 10-in-1. Now, we're exploring a high-tech kitchen marvel, the Instant Pot Pro Plus Wi-Fi Smart 10-in-1. This 6-quart multi-cooker is perfect for those who love convenience and versatility in their cooking. The Instant Pot Pro Plus isn't just a pressure cooker. It offers 10 functions in one device: pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté pan, yogurt maker, warmer, canning pot, sous vide, and NutriBoost. The premium cookware-grade inner pot with stay-cool silicone handles can go from the cooker straight to your stove. What sets this Instant Pot apart is its smart Wi-Fi connectivity. You can wirelessly operate and program it using the Instant Brands Connect app. This app gives you access to over 1,900 highly rated smart recipes, making meal planning and preparation easier than ever. The Instant Pot Pro Plus is user-friendly with a large, easy-to-read display and intuitive touch controls. The one-touch steam release button and automatic pressure release settings add to its convenience, allowing you to release steam effortlessly. Customers love the sleek design, ease of use, and performance. One user highlighted how the Wi-Fi remote function and automatic pressure release make cooking stress-free. Another user shared how it transformed their family's cooking habits, making dinner prep easy and fun. So, if you're looking for a versatile, high-tech cooking tool that simplifies your life, the Instant Pot Pro Plus Wi-Fi Smart 10-in-1 is a fantastic choice. Number 4. Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 Mini Electric Pressure Cooker. This 3-quart marvel is perfect for small households or anyone looking to make meal prep a breeze. The Instant Pot Duo Mini isn't just a pressure cooker. It's a 7-in-1 appliance that functions as a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté pan, yogurt maker, and food warmer. With 13 customizable smart programs, you can effortlessly cook ribs, soups, beans, rice, poultry, yogurt, desserts, and more with just one touch. This mini powerhouse can cook meals up to 70% faster than traditional methods or slow cook your favorite recipes just like Grandma used to make. Its fingerprint-resistant stainless steel sides and dishwasher-safe lid, inner pot, and accessories make cleanup quick and easy. Safety is paramount with over 10 features, including overheat protection and a safe locking lid. Plus, you can explore amazing recipes on the free Instant Brands Connect app, available for iOS and Android. It's perfect for meal prepping, with a capacity suitable for up to 3 people. Customers love the Instant Pot Duo Mini for its ease of use, versatility, and cleanability. One user highlighted how convenient it is for small servings and specific dietary needs, making healthy meals in minutes. Another praised its ability to tenderize tough meats and make perfect yogurt. So, whether you're cooking for a small family or just yourself, the Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 Mini is a versatile and efficient addition to your kitchen. Number 5. Instant Pot Pro Crisp 11-in-1 Air Fryer. This 8-quart marvel is designed to meet all your cooking needs in one convenient appliance. The Instant Pot Pro Crisp is more than just a pressure cooker. It offers 11 functionalities: pressure cooker, slow cooker, steamer, sauté pan, food warmer, sous vide, air fryer, roaster, mini oven, broiler, and dehydrator. With 2 convenient, removable lids, you can easily switch between these functions. One of the standout features is the air fryer lid with even crisp technology. It delivers all the crunch and tenderness of deep frying with 95% less oil. Perfect for making healthier versions of your favorite fried foods. Plus, the 8-quart capacity is ideal for larger families or meal prepping. The Instant Pot Pro Crisp is incredibly user-friendly with customizable cooking programs for pressure cooking, sautéing, slow cooking, steaming, sous vide, warming, air frying, roasting, baking, broiling, and dehydrating. You can pressure cook to save time or slow cook for traditional recipes with ease. Customers are loving the Instant Pot Pro Crisp for its performance, ease of cleaning, and versatility. One user mentioned how it revolutionized their kitchen, making it easy to cook everything from crispy air-fried dishes to tender pressure-cooked meals. Another highlighted the sturdy build and convenient accessories. So, if you're looking for an all-in-one appliance that simplifies your cooking and expands your culinary possibilities, the Instant Pot Pro Crisp 11-in-1 air fryer and electric pressure cooker combo is the ultimate choice. Thanks for tuning in to Reviews Heaven. We hope you found the perfect Instant Pot for your kitchen needs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth reviews and cooking tips. Happy cooking, and see you next time.